today. Welcome back again with me, Miss Dewi. Today we come into the third chapter in our science lesson. The third group belongs to the vertebrate animals are fish. What is fish? Fish is aquatic vertebrate animals. They live on the water. Because they live on the water, they breathe through the gills. So inside the water, they take the water, passes their gills, and absorb the oxygen for their breathing. And their body is covered by things named scale. Scale is hard, small plates. It covers all over its body. And this fish equipped by gills cover, and also fins. Fins help them to move all around. The example of fish, do you know it? I bet you know. It is shark, clownfish. There are also tuna, etc. Next, the fourth group of vertebrate animal belongs to reptiles. What is reptiles? Reptile is a crawl animals that walk by their belly, like a snake, or a small feet like a lizard. So, the reptiles have cold-blooded animals. What is cold-blooded? Cold-blooded means they cannot resist their own body temperature. So that's why in the morning we can find easily that the reptiles having sunbathing under the sunlight, so they can increase their body temperature. Besides they are cold-blooded, the reptile also cover the bodies with its scale. We know already, right? The scale is the hard small plate that cover all over its body. The example of reptiles that we know, such as crocodile, snake, iguana, turtle, we know it very well. And besides that, this reptile also reproduce by laying eggs. So they have an egg with a hard shell. Off it goes. Now we are on our fifth group of vertebrate class. It belongs to the amphibian. Amphibian itself comes from the two words. First the ampi and the logos. So ampi mean of both kind, which logos mean life. So actually amphibian itself means can live both on land and water. This amphibian, when they're still young, they live on the water. They breathe through the gills. And when they are adult, they go out to the land, but still nearby the moist area and breathe by gills and the body surfaces. And this amphibian breathe through the gills. The example of amphibian are frogs, toad, and salamander. Who knows the difference between frog and toads? Actually, there's kind of different. Frog usually slimy, it more skinny, and it has the moisture all over its body, and it jump more. And it usually live by the water. But the frog usually have a thicker and thick skin. It has a wider body and it hops smaller. So that's the example of the amphibian. Thank you very much for joining this chapter. Rewind again and again, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so I will produce more and more fun video for you guys. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.